Hello again, and greetings from a beautiful evening here in Japan. Yeah, and what do we have here? We have another Toyota. I have to say it's our favorite brand, and it's a Vellfire. It's a 2009 August with 65,000 miles, 105, I think it's just 106,000 kilometers now. It's the 350Z, sorry, wrong country. Yeah, it's got the V6 3.5 liter engine, which is a very nice drive. And this, yeah, it's a nice car. It's got some nice options. It's got 3 power doors. It's got the rear entertainment with the premium sound, auto mirrors, and a few other things. And yeah, anyway, very nice car. I believe it was from a Toyota auction. I think it was, yeah. So let's take a look. Of course, it has the parking sensors, front and rear, and the HID AFS headlights, factory 18-inch wheels with good radials, I believe. 2019, certainly got life left in them. Again, just nice, clean body panels. The factory standard 18-inch. Sorry, the sun is a little bit in our face on this corner. So, yeah. Okay, let's just demonstrate the rear door. If I can find the key. Here we go. So as I said, it's got all 3 power doors, both sliding doors and the rear door. And this one has the dark grey or black Alcantara interior, which you can't really see in this view, but the Alcantara is not so common. Most of the 2008 9s and even 10s have the normal cloth interior, but this one has the Alcantara. So it's a bit of more of a premium edition with the ceiling speakers and other features. Anyway, nice, clean, non-smoker interior, and you can either use a remote or you can press this button, and the rear door closes. It's got a standard exhaust, and the rear parking sensors. It's the Vellfire rather than the Alphard. Depends which Toyota dealer you buy from. Purely cosmetic design. Mechanically, the Alphard and the Vellfire are identical. Again, nice, proper 18-inch factory standard wheels with clean body panels. Again, please refer to the Dropbox link of photographs. There are about 60 odd photographs probably showing comprehensive photographs of the underneath as well, to show how clean it is. Most of our cars are sourced in the Kanto area, the Greater Tokyo area, or Nagoya, or further south down in Kyushu, Hiroshima. We pretty much avoid cars from up north, and actually, to be honest with you, even Osaka. We just find the quality, there is a difference. And the rust, in the north, you've got problems with rust. In Tohoku and Hokkaido, there are nice cars there, well, of course, but in general, that's a very general statement. Okay, let's demonstrate the sliding doors. This is a 7-seater, and but these seats are, they have the lumbar support, leg rests, and the seats also move sideways. And by moving it sideways, it allows the seat to slide further back into the rear of the car. Now you can probably see the Alcantara, which is a nice touch. It's a nice quality material. Maybe can you see the back? Anyway, better to look at the photographs for more detailed view inspection. And the rear entertainment here. Car comes with a remote for the rear, which is here. It's, sometimes we have to source them because they go missing, either in the auctions or the previous owner just didn't bother to put them in. And in this, we make sure that all the cars we sell have the appropriate remotes. Okay, and also here it has the convenience for opening and locking the doors with the key in your pocket. And this car comes with two remotes. Again, it's something we make sure all our cars come with 2 remotes. A lot of them come from the auctions with 1, but we have the facilities to make them. Okay, the door card is nice and clean. Again, the Alcantara driver seat is very nice. All these Vellfires and Alphards all come with front, side and curtain airbags. Driver mat. And this one has the dealer option automatically folding mirrors. That is a dealer option. Let's see. Okay, let's put the ignition on. So you can see there's the mileage, just about to turn 106,000, which, as I said, is 65,000 miles. And we can start it up. There we go. All the warning lights are off, and the rear entertainment just opened up. And what else do we have here? Again, definitely non-smoker car. All the books are there. Oh, this one, yeah, it has a little pull-out shelf, which is kind of convenient for, well, these days you might want to put your masks in there, whatever. Japan's just lifted the requirement to wear masks outside, which is rather pleasant. And what have we got? Audio controls here, and Bluetooth controls here, and cruise control on this side. And if you can see it down here, there's a button for the power door off. And up here you have the controls for the 3 power doors, 2 slide doors, and the rear door, rear gate. Anything else? Let's see. Nice, clean dash with no stickiness. There's a bit of a weakness with this model. Then again, if you're buying one from a dealer, it's a question you want to ask. How is the dash? Yep. What else? A few little glove boxes here. yeah, I think that is about it for, yeah, nice. We have a nice, pleasant interior. Very nice. Okay. I was thinking, did I forget something? Probably did. All right. Let's take. This one, as mentioned, has the. It's the 350Z. Sorry. No, Z. No, whatever. And it has the V6 3.5 litre engine. Nice and clean. Chrome grille, also very nice. Some people prefer the looks of the Vellfire, and some people prefer the Alphard. My preference is the Alphard, but the Vellfire is, yes, it's good looking. Let's take a look at the auction sheet. This came from a Toyota auction. In fact, it came from my local Toyota auction just around the corner. So it was a grade 3.5. I think I've mentioned many times in these videos a Toyota grade 3.5, or a maker auction in general. Make 3.5 is the equivalent of a grade 4 in pretty much every other non-maker auction. Yeah, it's they're a lot more strict, especially Toyota auctions on their own cars. They're especially yeah, strict in the way they grade. This one, A1s, B1s, literally non-existent. The U3 on the roof, the X1 on the glass is so tiny. I don't know. You can even mention it. It's not a crack or anything. It's probably just a tiny, tiny chip on the first laminate. There again, if you can find it. The U3 on the roof, yeah, there are. You can't really see it, but there are a couple of very small, soft dents on the kind of running edges of the roof, but you can't see them from ground level. Probably from some kind of roof carrier they had, but there again, we didn't feel there was anything worth bothering about to improve. It's just so, out of sight, out of mind. It just really makes no significant difference to the overall condition of the car. Anyway, that's what we felt. Yeah. So, in our opinion, it is a very genuine grade 4 car. So again, 2009 August, Vellfire 350Z. Yeah, Z. With 65,000 miles, 106,000 kilometers. Alcantara interior, premium sound rear entertainment, 3 power doors, 7-seater. Anyway, if this car interests you at all, please do talk to Paul at Japan-Auto-Agents, and should you like to buy it, you can arrange for the purchase of it, and we can arrange the shipping to the UK. Fortunately, at the moment, throughout the whole pandemic, in fact, we've been fortunate enough to be able to ship everything pretty much right away. There is a shortage of car carriers globally, which is creating a problem, but so far that problem hasn't reached us. But we know many companies it has, but thankfully we've been okay, and so we're hoping it continues like that. So please do talk to Paul if this interests you, and we'll make every effort to get it to you as soon as possible. So anyway, we'll say bye from a beautiful evening here in Japan. We can see Fuji actually from our house, but probably not tonight because the sun is right behind it. So anyway, bye for now. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.